Hey, it's time to get uncomfortable because your next client is waiting outside your comfort zone. Spring is here, and so is your opportunity to grow your business by building real connections. In this video, I'm talking directly to business owners who've been hiding behind emails and social media. It's time to get out, show up, and let people know who you are and what you do. Networking has changed my life and my business. Now I'm showing you how to make it work for you. Why face to face networking still works, what to say when you don't know anyone, how to find events that match your industry, building confidence when you're nervous, following up without being awkward. So start networking with purpose this season. Your next opportunity is just one handshake away. Hi, everyone. This is Karen Denton, your KSC Bitten consultant, and today we're talking about something powerful, networking. Yep, it's springtime, and that means it's time to step outside your comfort zone and into new rooms, new conversations, and new opportunities. So, why does network matter now? Well, spring is a season of growth. Just like flowers are blooming, this is your season to show up and grow. Now, if you're a business owner who wants more clients, more partnerships, or just more visibility, you got to get out there. People can't hire you or refer you if they don't even know you exist. So, here's some tips on how to start networking. Not sure where to begin or what to look for? Look for local business events. I just went to one today. Like I say, the resource centers, right? So the Community Resource Center had a networking, co-working slash business conference. So I went to that and I seen some of my mentees there. So that was a blessing to see that they're starting to do what I suggest. So you want to find local business events, industry specific meetups. You could go to pop-up shops and expos. You never know you'll meet. City chamber events. And there's a chamber event coming up in our city. So this is the time, listen, all these organizations and stuff is going to be blasting out stuff. There might be so many in a week. Like so far, we've had 3 or 4 here already. So check those places out. Even coffee shop conversations. There be some meetups that say, come drink coffee. Go step out your comfort zone and go meet them people. Now, what should you say at a networking event? Keep it simple. Hi, my name is Karen. I own a commercial cleaning business. I help commercial cleaning companies grow their business. And then ask them, what do they do? Let the conversation flow from there. Now, you got to break past the fear. Now, I know networking can feel intimidating. I used to walk into rooms full of strangers wondering if I belong. And I'm going to tell you, I had this one experience that took that fear away. I went, and then y'all probably heard me tell this story before, but I went to a networking event and I seen one person I knew who I highly admired. And I sat next to her and I said, "Ooh, I'm so nervous." She said, "Everybody's nervous." I said, "Really?" She said, "She's nervous. Everybody's nervous." So when she told me that, because see, I got to trick myself. So since she told me that, I said, instead of me going in there nervous and everybody's nervous, I'm going to go in there with confidence since everybody's nervous. And that's what I practice and that's what I do. And then I'll scan the room and see who does what and hear some conversations and then that's who I feel I need to meet. And then I go and introduce myself to them. And then because I know what they do, I have a way of making the conversation. So don't feel like you don't belong, because the truth is you do belong. Your story, your service, and your voice matters. So push past that fear. Every big opportunity I've ever had came from someone I met in real life. And then you want to follow up like a pro. Don't just collect business cards. Follow up the next day. Send a thank you message, or it was nice meeting you at such and such the other day. Or connect on social media. Ask them how you can support them before asking for anything. And this spring, promise yourself that you won't sit on the sidelines, that you'll get in the room, you'll get uncomfortable, and you'll get known. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, comment below your favorite networking tip, and subscribe for more real talk on building your business. And those of you that are in the cleaning industry, there's a cleaning conference coming up with the Clean Biz Network. I'm going to put the link in here, and you guys need, if you're in the cleaning industry, you need to go to this conference. This was the very first out-of-state conference that I ever went to, and it was amazing. I met a lot of people that I still am connected with since then and moving forward. So I'm going to tell you guys, it's the season. Get out there. Let people know who you are. I'll see you guys on the next video.